Maika Magsinsalara, Julie Tabigan Hornet, Ariana Nicole Ferraris Aquito, Al Manuel Anissa, Heidi Noel, a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Agricultural Business Management from the University of Southeastern Philippines, and a recipient of the Excellence in Leadership Award for my time as Student Council President. Currently working as a freelance events host, my name is Sharpay Repito Dalo, all the way from Barangay Kalinan, Urena, Boa!
An operations manager and a Filipino international exchange in Australia, a moral leadership advocate. This is Jess Robles representing Barangay Talomo, and I am Jordana.
A business economics major at the University of Mindanao, a self-made businesswoman, a suicide survivor who spent weeks in coma, and now an advocate for healing and mental well-being. I am Bianca Marie Williams from Barangay Kabantian, and I am Urena 3.
An administrative assistant in an NYC-based fencing company and an advocate for trans-youth education. This is Sam Elijah Garcia, representing Barangay Lindangan, and I am Urena 4.
Mabuhay Mariao, a virtual assistant admin, a mental health advocate, and a farmer. This is Anissa from Barangay Talamo, Urena 5.
A government employee and a member of LGBT Davao City Coalition Executive Committee, the founder and president of Building Understanding, Community Acceptance, and Non-Discrimination Association. My name is Al Manuel, representing Barangay 76 Abukana, Urena 6.
I am a Bachelor of Medical Laboratory Science from San Pedro College of Davao, a volunteer of a non-government organization, a freelance choreographer, a debater, and a newly licensed medical technologist. Mabuhay Madayao, this is Christian, 25 years of existence, all the way from Barangay 19B, and I am Urena number 7.
A graduate of Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English. A proud trans mother and a cosplayer. I am Sarah Andrea Ronquillo, all the way from Barangay Talomo, and I am Urena 8.
A senior specialist for culture and engagement at the biggest private employer in the Philippines, and a licensed financial wealth planner. I am Eugene Riquelme Amboy, representing Barangay Buhangin, and I am Urena 9.
A graduate of Mass Communication, major in Broadcasting and Journalism, a business owner, and a philanthropist. This is Barbie Ganados, representing Barangay 76A, Bukana, and I am Urena 10.
A beautiful morning. tourism management and a body positivity advocate. Hazel Lopez from Barangay Bato, Aplaya, your biggest Reina 13.
A business development representative and a former fashion technology student. My name is Yasi Oncada, proudly representing Barangay Los Amigos, and I am Lorena 14.
A leasing consultant, a leadership coach, and a mental health warrior. My name is Eloise Magallanes Ahoy, representing Barangay Matina, Aplaya, and I, your Reina 15. Mabuhay Madayao, currently pursuing my Master's in International and Hospitality Management at the University of Mindanao. Bulagway Board Member and a proud public school teacher.